In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all chat's photos on Discord on PC. If you've ever tried to scroll back through a busy conversation just to find a single image, this will save you a ton of time. Start by going to the conversation or server where you want to search. Look to the top right corner of Discord and click the search bar. That's where we'll tell Discord exactly what we're looking for. In the search field, type has image, then press enter. This command tells Discord to show only messages that contain images. So instead of sifting through every message, you'll get a clean list of posts with pictures. You'll see the results update to show image containing messages from the space you're currently viewing. If that's already what you need, you're done. But if you want to narrow it further, you can add filters right in the same search bar to focus on a specific person or a specific channel. To filter by who sent the image, type a space after has image, then add from, followed by the sender's exact username. As you start typing after from, Discord usually suggests matching names. Pick the right one to avoid typos, press enter to refresh the results. Now you'll only see images posted by that person in this conversation or server. To limit the search to a particular channel inside a server, add another space and type in Watraz followed by the channel name. Again, Discord will suggest channels as you type, so select the correct one. Press enter and your results will now show only images from that channel. You can combine both filters to be very specific. For example, type has image, then add from with the person's username and in with the channel name with a space between each part. The order doesn't matter, but keeping a single space between filters helps Discord read the query clearly. If the results don't refresh right away, press enter again to apply the full search. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make sure you're searching in the right place first, whether that's a direct message, a group DM or a server, because Discord searches within the context you're viewing. Also, if a username or channel name has special characters, rely on the suggestions that appear as you type to ensure accuracy. That's it. Click the search bar, type has.image, press enter, and use from and in files to refine the results as needed. This approach is fast, reliable, and makes finding any photo in a chat straightforward.